how to create the trending viral videos of celebrities, of footballers, of presidents with AI that's going on right now on social media. Guys, these videos are going viral on YouTube, on TikTok, on Instagram, and you can get lots of money with it. Yes, this niche is paid. You can do it here on YouTube and use it just for your YouTube shorts, or you can take it to TikTok or Instagram and you'll be paid for it. Hi, my name is Wokobuchi. On social media, I teach you how to monetize your social media platforms, how to edit videos, and how to work with AI. So today I'll be teaching you how to do these viral videos or YouTube videos, like viral celebrity videos with AI, and it is free, okay? You can actually start up a channel for free with these videos and get monetized. Let no one lie to you. You can't be monetized with this because look at these channels that are posted up here. They're actually making lots of views, lots of engagement on their page, and they're getting paid. You can do this on YouTube, like I said, on Instagram, on TikTok, and everywhere, and you'll be going viral. So if you want to start this as a new niche, if you're a new TikToker, a new YouTuber, or a new social media person, and you want to take this as your niche, let's go. Let me show you how to create these videos and go viral. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. And don't forget to comment in the comment section the next AI tool you want me to teach you, because I am your go-to girly, right? I'll teach you anything you want. So yeah, guys, let's go into this tutorial.
So the first thing you do is you go to ChatGPT. I'll open my ChatGPT like this. Now, when you get to ChatGPT, all you need to tell ChatGPT is for ChatGPT to give you prompts, maybe 3-4 different prompts. Let me type my prompt, okay? Give me Give me 6 different prompts. I said give me 6 different prompts to create 6 different football players who are farming with their jerseys. We have this. I'll click on go. So these are the prompts we got from ChatGPT. You can see Lionel Messi there and Cristiano Ronaldo. So they actually gave all the descriptions on what we need. Some in the farm, some milking cows and all that. Now, the next step to this is to create the images. So how do we create the images? Let's move to the next app for image, okay? So here I'll copy the first one. I'll copy this first one. Then I'll go to Leonardo AI. Once I get to Leonardo AI, I'll click on create. Please, Leonardo AI is one different app, which I'll actually put in the description box, right? This is how it looks like. That is the name up there, Leonardo AI. So when you get here and you register on this app with your email or your phone number, it will get you to this interface. Now, when you get to this interface, what you need to do is you click up above where you see create. You click on create. Now here you'll get to see where it says type prompt. You click on type prompt and you paste the prompt you just copied from ChatGPT. So that's the prompt I pasted there. I'll swap down. I'll look for style. I leave it to creative. Then I'll come down here, image. I'll look for the YouTube, the TikTok or Instagram image, okay? You can use it for the YouTube, which is 16.9, but I like to use it for the YouTube short, which is 9.16, because the images go viral here this way. So I'll just, when I'm done putting this in, I'll click on generate, then I wait. Okay, so this is the first image we have, right? This one. I'll click on this image. I'll click above there where you say save. I'll click and I'll save it. Okay, I'll click and I'll save it. I'll go back to ChatGPT. I'll click on again the second one I'll take. I copy. I go back to Leonardo AI. I put it same place on the prompt like we did. Just a repeated process, okay? I'll put it like that. You wait for it to generate. So we have this one that in the farm, okay? Now I'll go back to ChatGPT and I tell them to give me another crazy prompt, okay? Give me a prompt of Lionel Messi pregnant. Pregnant. I will copy this. I'll go back to Leonardo AI. I'll click on prompt. I'll paste it there. Then I'll click on generate again and I'll generate that. So the good thing is you can actually go crazy with this prompt, okay? You can go crazy. Choose anything you imagine, like anything you want these players to do. So you see this one? I love this one. It looks good. You know, makes a whole lot of sense. Now I'll save this one as well because we need to go generate them into videos. Now I'll go back here and I paste and I click on generate. Okay, here you go. So there, that's it. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll just save these images. After you've created your images, you save them. Okay, save your images. Now after saving these images, what I'll do is the next move, I'll be going to Hello AI. Hello AI. Hello AI. I'll be going to the Hello AI, okay? Now let's go to the browser because I always use my app from the browser. So let's go to the Hello AI from the browser. So this is how the Hello AI looks like, or the Hello AI, Hello AI. I don't know how you guys call it. This is how it looks like. Guys, forgive my voice because I have a cold. Now this is how it looks like, yeah? Now what you need to do is, once you register on this app, because you need to register on this Hello AI, yes, I'll put everything in the description box, the link to the app in the description box, okay? Make sure to check it out. Now, once you get here, what you need to do is you click where it says ideas, click create. This one is to type and then you get the photos, okay? But here I actually want to do it myself. Like I want to use my pictures, 2 videos. So I'll click on the plus down here. This plus, I'll click on it. Once your plus open, they'll tell you first image to video, text to video, then you see a reference to video. So I'll click on image to video, the first one. Once you click on image to video, where it says image history, you click there. It says photo, you click, then you go to your gallery and choose a photo. Okay. Now I choose this photo. I'll click on done. The photo is here. I'll go back to ChatGPT and I'll take the prompts that I use in generating this video. So this is the one. This is the one where Messi was pregnant. I'll choose that. I'll come back. I'll go back to the browser. Then I'll paste the prompt where it says, unleash your creativity, share your story here. I'll click there. Now, once I click there, I'll click down here where it says 30. I'll click on the 30. Guys, if you've watched till now, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, and don't forget to comment in the comment section the next AI tool you want me to teach you. And please forgive my voice, okay? I cannot stay without giving you guys the juice, although I am sick. So yeah, guys, that's it. So I'll wait for this query to go on. Now you can see one job in query. When I click there under create history, you see one job in query. When I click, it will tell us the exact time this picture will generate into a video, which is 11 minutes. And we cannot wait for 11 minutes. So I'll wait for 11 minutes of the camera and I'll come here and give you guys the full result. Okay. So yeah. And then from here, I'll show you how to upload them on your Instagram or your YouTube shorts and all that. So let's wait for this to generate. So these are the videos I generated first. So I got this video from Hulu AI, and I'll be putting all the link in the description box, and I'll be putting all the apps just after these videos. Okay, so let's go to the apps. Let me show you how the app looks like and what to do. Now first, I got the image prompt from ChatGPT. So I went to ChatGPT and got the image prompt. Secondly, then I went to Leonardo AI. Now on Leonardo AI, you can get the images by taking the prompt from ChatGPT, taking it to Leonardo AI and getting the image. And again, on Leonardo AI, you can still like you can actually make the image
motion, but not very strong motion. So the video quality on Leonardo AI is not very good, but you can just use the text to image on Leonardo AI. Now, the next one is actually the Hulu AI or the Halo AI, how you guys call it, which is still the MinMax. That is where you actually go to put your image to videos. So you can do text to video or you can do image to video depending on what you want. But normally if I want consistent characters, I always go to Hulu AI and use the image to video, which means I generate my images from Leonardo AI, then I take it to the Halo AI and turn it into videos. So yeah, guys, let me know if you have more questions. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, and don't forget to comment in the comment section the next AI tool you want me to teach you, because I'll reply your comment, or I'll reply your comment with a video. Okay guys, thank you so very much, and ciao ciao. Bye guys.